Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and the refrigerant. This protects you and the system. First, unplug the unit and wear gloves and eye protection. Once done, recover the refrigerant with a certified recovery machine or call a licensed tech, because you cannot legally vent refrigerant. Make sure the fridge is empty and stable, remove drawers and shelves, and tilt the appliance slightly if needed to access the compressor area. Now you're ready to expose the compressor and service panel. Next, label and disconnect electrical leads while photographing connections so reassembly is error-free. Once labeled, remove mounting bolts and the clamp holding the compressor. Carefully cut or braze the suction and discharge lines. Use nitrogen purge to prevent oxidation and avoid burning openings closed. Remove the old compressor and fit the new unit, replace the filter/dryer, and braze the lines with correct clearances. Make sure joints are clean and fully sealed. Then wipe away flux residues and let the welds cool before proceeding. Finish by evacuating the system to about 500 microns using a vacuum pump. Hold the vacuum to confirm no leaks. Once stable, charge with the manufacturer's specified refrigerant amount and add the correct oil quantity. Reconnect electrical wiring using your photos and labels, restore power, and start the compressor. Monitor high and low side pressures and cabinet temperatures. Make sure the unit cycles normally. If the compressor won't start or noise persists, immediately shut down and check wiring, valve seating, and that the correct oil and refrigerant were used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.